Enabling biometric login on Wealthfront can enhance your security and make accessing your account more convenient. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Wealthfront app. Launch the Wealthfront app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version installed to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is usually represented by Get icon or found in your account profile section. Step 3. Select Security Options. In the Settings menu, find and select the Security Options. This section will allow you to manage your login preferences, including biometric authentication. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Look for the option to enable biometric login, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Toggle the switch to activate this feature and follow any prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Test the biometric login. Log out of your Wealthfront account and attempt to log back in using your chosen biometric method. Ensure that it works correctly and that you can access your account seamlessly. By following these steps, you can easily enable biometric login on Wealthfront, enhancing both your security and convenience.